So this is an engineered floor that we done a couple of years ago. It kind of gives you that traditional block parquet effect, if you like, but without the cost. So it's actually an engineered floor. These aren't individual pieces. They're long boards that when you click them together, it kind of gives you the traditional block parquet look or effect. I suppose the benefits of going for this over the traditional glue down parquet would be the cost. It's kind of one of the most significant ones. This room was actually light when we done it. It was a very light colour. So because the customers went for a really classic look, it looks fantastic, light or dark. I've seen it both ways. I actually prefer it with the black, but it looked great originally, and it just shows you that if you choose a timeless floor, you know, it can last you 2 or 3 decorations if you like. The customer loved the pattern so much that they decided to do the same design through next door. Rather than going for the engineered floor this time, they wanted something that was going to be a little bit more hard wearing for, you know, it's a large area through here, but they loved the design. So we decided to do the Amtico Signature block parquet. It's very similar. It's almost, you would think it was almost identical, but they're 2 very different floors. Next door you have a floating engineered floor that's clicked together. This is actually on a concrete floor, and the floor is fully glued down. I suppose the main difference actually from this floor to the floor next door is these are actually individual pieces. Next door they're big huge long boards that are clicked together to give you that effect, where all these pieces are actually individually glued together. I think one of the main benefits of that is you can lift and replace any ones that become heavily damaged or scratched if you really needed to. If someone was to drag a heavy piece of furniture across it, I mean, nothing's going to be bomb-proof, you know, it can scratch. But it's a very quick fix for us to remove a couple of these pieces and replace them, as long as you can keep some spares. Where next door with the engineered, it's quite difficult. We'd have to actually lift the room back to where the damaged piece was and then relay the whole room effectively. Probably the other main benefit of having the Amtico versus the engineered next door is it's completely waterproof. So if you spill anything on it, you don't need to worry about the joins kind of bubbling up or warping or anything like that. It is waterproof. As long as you clean it up fairly quickly, it won't be affected at all. So because this is the Amtico Signature range, obviously it comes with a lifetime guarantee. So you've got peace of mind that the floor will not wear out over time. So unlike your old wooden floors or old laminate floors, the top surface would actually start to wear down. This will not do that throughout the lifetime of the product. So you'll have complete peace of mind in terms of the durability of the product itself.